Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book, and today looks like we're at number 200. All right, let's start with this column here. We're missing a 5 and a 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so 9. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this column, then, looks like we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 9. A 4 here, so 6, 4. For this top row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here and a 2 here, so this is our 3. That 1 makes this our 2 and our 1. For this row now, looks like we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this square now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 2 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. And we've got a 2 here and a 7 here, so that makes this our 8. That 2 makes this our 7 and 2. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column, we're missing a 5 and a 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing a 4 and a 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. To finish off this row, we're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. And to finish off this box, we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. And there we have it for puzzle 200. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.